Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a Craquelin Choux pastry for you. Let's get started. Milk, water, sugar, butter, stir till boiling, then add flour. Continue mixing till it becomes a paste. Leave it cool down. Beat an egg, then pour on the dough. Mix thoroughly. Repeat the same for 4 eggs. Add vanilla. Butter. Brown sugar. Flour. Place on a nylon and then fold it. Spread out with a rolling pin. Leave it in fridge for 1 hour. Cut it into several pieces with a circular cutter. Pour the dough into the funnel and puff it into the tray. Place each craquelin on them. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, these are ready. We call it choux. Let it cool down. Cut off the top. Fill with whipped cream. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh pastry. Thank you for watching and happy baking.